Hello, good day. Yeah, welcome to another class again. This is Business Studies class for JSS3. In our previous class, we discussed parts of the typewriter and some important key of the typewriters and the computers. Today we're looking at, that's our learning objective, we're looking at parts of the typewriter, also at the important keys of the keyboarding or the typewriter. Also, we're looking at the correct sitting posture for keyboarding. When we say keyboarding, we mean how you place your hands, how you sit down while typing. Keyboarding simply means typing. As we go through, I will be very happy if you will listen and with well understanding. Okay, let's start looking at the importance of keyboarding to an organization, to an individual. Keyboarding promotes the goodwill of the organization. It also makes work to be very neat. One can also duplicate work while he or she is working. It makes the company grow its reputation. And even as a customer to that company, a client to that company, or a supplier to that company, such document can be well preserved. Let's go to the second one, which is we're going to step and discuss the correct sitting posture for keyboarding. While typing, either on your computer or on your typewriter, you have to sit down upright. Very, very important, sit down upright. And you don't need to be moving your head either from the right side or from the left side before reading your manuscript. Remember, your manuscript is always with you. You are typing from the manuscript. So you don't need to start moving your head sideways. You type. And you don't use your fingers to type. You don't just pick. You don't pick. You type using your home keys. Your home keys formulas, which you are also going to do. Your home keys formula, that's the first place you first know how to type. Also, when you are typing, the posture you're going to put is you sit down upright. Your arm length should not be so long like this. You put them so you can rest on the typewriter keys. The rest on the typewriter keys. Remember that when you don't sit down upright, it's going to affect the backbone, the vertebrae of the backbone. And it's more important that when you're typing, sometimes you stay for a longer period of time. So the formula is that you sit down upright, and your hand should not be too straight and not be too close to you. It should be like this. And you don't punch too much. You just try to put it down, a little bit. And your eyes should be going to the manuscript, not your head, but the eyes should be going to the manuscript. So the rest of what I've seen you is going to be on your Google Doc. I've made some scan document for you. So on YouTube video also there for you to learn from. And I pray that even as you go through this period of holiday, you're going to study very well. Your class tasks are there. Your study activities are there. I'll be very happy if you place or if you type your class tasks on this Google Doc, this document. I'm very, very happy. God bless you. Nice to see you. Nice to hear from you again. I'll be willing to see you at the end of this holiday. Please study hard and play less and stay safe. God bless you and God bless you again.